Echo of the Monsoon, A Journey Through Memory and Rain. Chapter 1, The Arrival. The humidity in Jakarta doesn't just sit on your skin, it introduces itself. It is a heavy, fragrant blanket woven from the scents of clove cigarettes, frying oil, and the distant, metallic promise of rain. As I stepped out to the Hatta International Airport terminal, the air felt like a physical weight, a stark contrast to the sterile, air-conditioned vacuum of the plane I had inhabited for the last 16 hours. I was 30 years old, returning to a country I had left when I was 7. In my mind, Indonesia was a collection of grainy Polaroids and the taste of sweet soy sauce. To my parents, who had moved us to the suburbs of Chicago in the late 90s, it was a former life, something spoken of with a mixture of nostalgia and relief. But for me, this trip wasn't just a vacation.